In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align, order, and group objects in PowerPoint. Let's start with selecting the objects you want to work with. Click any single object like a shape, an image, or a text box to select it. If you need to select more than one, hold the Control key on Windows and click each object you want to include. Another quick way is to click and drag your mouse to draw a box around several objects at once. You'll know they're selected when you see the handles appear around them. With your objects selected, head to the Format tab. Depending on what you clicked, this might show up as shape format or picture format. Look for the Arrange group and click Align. Here you can choose how your objects line up. Align left, align center, or align right will control their horizontal alignment, while align top, align middle, or align bottom controls their vertical position. If you want the objects to align relative to the entire slide instead of to each other, click Align and choose Align to slide first. This is perfect when you want something centered on the slide or anchored to an edge for a clean, professional look. If you're arranging several items and want even spacing, use distribution. With multiple objects still selected, open Align again and choose distribute horizontally or distribute vertically. PowerPoint will calculate equal gaps between them, which is great for button rows, icon sets, or lists that need consistent spacing. Next, let's talk about ordering objects when they overlap. Select the object you want to adjust, go to the Format tab, and choose Bring Forward to move it one step in front, or Send Backward to move it one step behind. For precise control, Bring to Front places it on the very top layer, and Send to Back puts it on the very bottom. This is especially useful when text is hidden behind shapes or when images stack on top of each other. To keep multiple elements together, group them. Select your objects, then right-click and choose Group, or go to Format, then Group, and select Group. And grouping lets you move and resize everything as a single unit. If you need to edit something individually later, select the group and choose Ungroup from the same menu. And if you've just ungrouped and want to quickly put them back together, use Regroup. Finally, once your objects are grouped, click and drag to move them all at once. Use the corner handles to resize while keeping their proportions intact. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.